work out. Do, take clear. Work for me. Serve for me. Turn it out. Break it on down. What's up your sleeve? First, she was Catwoman, then Wonder Woman, now she's Spider-Woman, okay? Work. She said, no, the fuck she's now. She's Ballerina. Sir. She's going to cast a spell on you now. Work it out. Boo. Say, clear. Go down. Work it out. Turn it out. Work it out. Go for me. Serve for me. Work it out. Turn it out. Go. Stay clear. Performance, bebop. Work it on down. Work it on out. Work it on down. Down. Mechanically, I want you to hold that pose. 1001 is boo-boo, stay clear. 1002 is Roman, diva. 1003 and hold that pose. Work. Judges, hands across the board, naturally. Sabrina is here to show what she knows. She is pretty tuna fish. Everything is what I want. It's the R, the E, the E, the D, the L, the N. REVLON. It's on the count of three, I want you to hold that pose. 1001, Sabrina, REVLON. 1002, unforgettable, REVLON. 1003, and hold that pose. High.